Welcome to the Android Things. This is going to be a quick tutorial about a problem I faced while recording in the OBS-Studio. So as you can see, I'm trying to capture my display and I'm getting a black screen here. So I found a quick fix for this. There are a couple of ways to achieve this. So one thing, you can always right click, run with graphics processor and integrated graphics, select the integrated graphics. So usually that will fix the problem, but sometimes that also might not be sufficient. So yeah, as you can see, in my case, it still didn't fix the issue. So uh, I'm going to go to the NVIDIA control panel here, and so I go to the manage 3D settings and select the OBS software, and I use the integrated graphics. So by selecting this makes sure that the OBS Studio always uses the Intel's integrated graphics, and once I click apply, it applies that. Okay. As you can see now, the default is changed to Intel integrated graphics, and if I run this, the problem still shouldn't be fixed. Yeah, so there is one more step before we can start recording the screens, that is, you search for graphic settings, go to your graphic settings, and on your graphic settings select a classic app and browse to where your OBS Studio is installed. That will usually be in this directory, your C, program files, OBS Studio, binaries 64-bit and OBS 64. So once this is added, so you can select this and go to options and select the power saving mode. Click save, close this, close the OBS Studio, restart it again. Yeah, there you go. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. This was a quick one and I have more coming soon. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a very quick tutorial and I'm planning for more videos on Unity. So stay tuned.